this is Jerry. Finally, we are here to build my new PC. I've been talking about my new PC, right? So I'm super excited to build this PC and put my, try this PC for the first time. And I wanted to stream that. The reason I couldn't actually stream, because of busy schedules and stuff. But I've been thinking of building PC, but unfortunately, my brother was super busy as well. He couldn't actually help me with capturing this video. I wanted to create a video of building my PC, right? So guys, I'm super excited here. I'm going to build my PC, as I promised. And you can see that all parts are here ready to be assembled. So this is the processor I'm going to use. This is 3rd gen Ryzen 3700X. And this is Cooler Master MB450 RGB cabinet, and this is MSI B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC. This is the best motherboard available in the market. I mean, when it comes to B450 series, okay? This motherboard comes with all the luxurious features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and also Type-C port and some RGB lighting and stuff, and awesome heat sinks. So this motherboard is really cool. When it comes to 3rd gen, when it comes to motherboards that support 3rd gen Ryzen series, so of course AMD actually suggests 570X motherboard. AMD released it for 3rd gen CPU, but this motherboard also comes with an M4 socket, so this CPU will fit in this motherboard and will work without any problem. So that's why I went for this. Not only that, this motherboard is relatively cheaper. So I think I would actually suggest this motherboard if you don't want to go for a higher version of this. The motherboards that actually support 3rd gen Ryzen processor. So in the B450 series, this is the best motherboard available in the market. The problem though, this motherboard you have to update, because this motherboard was first launched for 2nd generation Ryzen processor. So you have to update the BIOS of this motherboard, because this motherboard, if you want to install 3rd gen processor on this motherboard. Okay, however, this motherboard, fortunately, when I bought this motherboard comes with this sticker. You can see that AMD Ryzen 3000 desktop ready. It means that you can just install the processor right out of the box. You don't have to update the BIOS. That's what I hope. I don't know if they did this by mistake, but I think no, because the processor actually was released a few months ago. So I think they have got all their motherboards in their stock updated with the latest BIOS. That's what I hope. Okay, so it should be okay with installing the latest, the Ryzen version in this motherboard without updating the BIOS. That's what I hope. Okay, then the graphics card. The graphics card is MSI Ventus. So it's actually this is GeForce RTX 2060 Super. So I went for 2060 Super because this comes with 8 GB of graphics RAM. Okay, you shouldn't be running out of graphics as you play the games or doing something else, So I thought, okay, why not go for something better? So it's actually its entry-level graphics, RTX graphics is actually 2060. So later, when the AMD released its latest graphics card to compete AMD, NVIDIA, came up with its upgraded version, I should say, right? So like 2060 Super. So they added this Super title to it, right? So it has got 2 GB of extra RAM. Graphics RAM, that's cool, right? So why should I go for the entry level 6 GB of RAM? I think spending a few more bucks so you would get better performance, I hope. I have no idea, I have to check it, I have to see it. So up next, the SSD. This is the SSD I'm going to use. You can see that, right? You don't see me. I know you want to see my face. You've been asking to show my face, but unfortunately, I love my privacy. I'm really sorry about it. I love my privacy. I don't want lots of attention. That's why I don't want to reveal myself. Okay, I'm really sorry about it. Maybe one day, So this is the SSD I'm going to use. This is Samsung A60 EVO 250GB storage. Okay, and the RAM I'm going to use is this G-Skills Trident Z RGB, and this is 16GB. It's a kit. It comes with 2 RAMs and 2 8GB RAMs. Yeah, right. So this is really cool because it has it's cool RGB lighting, and once we boot up the computer, then you should see it through this glass panel, right? Because the cabinet comes with transparent panel, so it should look really cool, right? So I think I deserve it because I've been crying for this. Is the first PC, I mean gaming PC I'm building. A PC that you can actually use for multitasking, right? Like you could give it whatever the task you want at the same time, and you will get it done in no time, I think, because the CPU is so powerful that it comes with 8-core CPU and 16 threads. That's cool, right? Yes, of course, there is its 3600 series, you know that, 3600, but the problem is that it comes with just 6-core, 2-core less, right? So I thought, why not go for 3700s, because you get 2 extra cores, right? So that's great, because more cores, better performance. That's what I know. So we should add, especially for my purpose, because I want to stream, I want to render videos and edit, whatever I want, and play games at the same time. So 2 more cores, the better. But at the same time, I didn't want to go for 3900X though. I really love if I had enough money. I'm not rich, unfortunately, but I would definitely love to get that. But I think that for gaming and stuff, I think 3900X is not that great. But yes, it does give you a good performance while gaming. But I thought, okay, 3700X is more than enough for me. I think right now, maybe in the future I could update. And the power supply that I'm going to use is this. Can you see this? This is a power supply I'm going to use. This is 750 watt bronze certified Cooler Masterwatt power supply. 15% fanless. It means that it fans automatically cuts off when it's not necessary, So that's really cool. And also it's semi-modular. That's great, right? Yep. So I don't want to talk that much about these components and things. I just want to start building, right? So I think I'm going to do that. And the cabinet, that's Masterbox, Cooler Masterbox MB511 RGB. So it's entry level is available in the market without RGB, but this comes with RGB fans here, and so it has got mesh panel. Is really great for your PC performance, right? So it has got 3 fans in the front, and there is an exhaust fan in the back. And this comes with this dust filter, this magnetic. You can just put it here, up here. So if you don't, and also this cabinet actually, you could, if you want to remove these fans and fix some water cooler, you can do that as well. So you can also fit a water cooler up here. So yeah, this is really great budget, but yet kind of luxurious, I think, because this cabinet comes with transparent tempered glass and nice material. Overall great, right? And maximum, it's really spacious. You could fit in all types of graphics card inside this box. So, and you could actually use ITX, mini ITX, micro ATX, or the full size ATX inside this cabinet. So this is really cool. If you don't want to go for something even expensive one, I think this is the cabinet you should go for. So its entry level is available, but unfortunately, the entry level uses some kind of plastic transparent side panel. So why not spend some extra bucks and get even better one, right? So this one comes with not only transparent tempered glass, also 3 fans. That's really great. So so that's it. So I want to build this PC, so I'm going to build it, right? Again, guys, don't forget to hit the like, and if you haven't yet hit my channel, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, so that you can keep in touch with me. And whenever I upload new videos or stream, I actually stream almost every day. I think. Yeah, I couldn't actually stream in the last couple of days, maybe, but I'll make sure I stream every day from now on because I'm going to get a new PC, right? So let's build. right? So let's see what happens. So I need to. So let's do it, right? So and you can see that there are two antennas here. There's a Wi-Fi antenna. Booted up in the dock, right? So we can see the lighting things and stuff. It should look really cool, right? I think I should turn off the lights, and I'm going to boot up the PC for the first time. So let's see what it actually looks like in the darkness, right? So I'm going to boot it up for the first time. Actually, installing ours is pretty straightforward. Create a bootable USB stick and plug it in and boot up the PC, and it should automatically find out the bootable file from your from your drive, that may be external drive or USB stick or whatever. So let's do it. Okay guys, so 3, 2, 1, go. Woohoo! That looks absolutely insane, right? That's really amazing. Wow, it looks really cool. It actually boots up. I just need to look if every components actually work, but I'll do that later. But before that, I want to do it for the video first. So it looks really amazing. You see that lighting stuff? The case definitely worth it, with this transparent panel and 3 intake fans with RGB lighting. It looks really, really amazing. So it works. Actually, I didn't actually update the BIOS of this motherboard because motherboard actually came with the latest BIOS. I did show you what the Ryzen 3000 desktop ready sticker. So nowadays B450 gaming for carbon is actually comes with the latest BIOS, guys. So if you have planned to buy you have already bought the B450, you don't actually need to. If you see the sticker, you can actually install a CPU right out of the box. You don't actually have to do anything. With the BIOS. So it's pretty smooth. It started right away without any problem. Looks absolutely amazing. I'm loving it. It would have been really great if the graphics card had some RGB lighting over here, but unfortunately. But the Founders Edition actually comes with GeForce logo with RGB lighting, but unfortunately this one doesn't have that feature. But anyway, overall this looks really great, and you can see the lighting of the motherboard as well on this side and underneath it. That's it, and here is the SSD. So that's it. And the PC is actually pretty calm. There's no noise at all. No noise at all. Despite the fans all around it, 3 fans at the front, 1 at the back, and the CPU fans, and there are 2 fans underneath this graphics card. But you can hardly hear the noise of this this PC right now. It looks really amazing, a great build. So guys, if you have a plan to build a gaming PC, maybe you should go for something like this. So, like 3700X. At least if you have a plan to stream the gaming, if you want to use your PC as a great productivity tool, like, encoding, video editing and stuff. So maybe you should go for a build like this. It's definitely worth it, because it's gonna save you a lot of time, at the same time let you do multiple tasks at the same time, because it has 8-core CPU and
great graphics card, 2060 Super. That's a decent graphics card. So you should be able to play games at 1080p, full HD settings, and at the same time you can stream to YouTube, Twitch, or whatever you want to stream to. Whatever the platform you want to stream to. There shouldn't be any problem, unless you are actually playing some games with intense CPU utilization, But even then, you should be able to play and stream both at the same time. Sometimes you may have to close some other tasks working in the background, but you should be fine playing these games at 1080p full settings, full graphic settings, at ultra settings, and at the same time you should be able to stream to your tabs. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. So for more videos, tips and tricks like this, you should subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button and share the video with your friends and others, and also to join my stream as well whenever I go streaming. You guys know that I stream almost every day. So I hope you do that. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Take care.